GO TEC is a career pathway program that introduces students at the middle school level to various career pathways that are in demand and very beneficial for students to enter and pursue a career. We start in some school divisions as early as 5th grade, and we target students. We kind of expose them to a lot of the different opportunities in the industry-specific equipment and terminology. Students get to keep taking deeper dives every year into those career pathways and using that equipment.
When I got on the bus, the first thing I saw was teachers, laptops, and robots. And I thought, wow, we're about to really move robots and use robots.
We did an activity with the GO magicians. So they started with a pen end-of-arm tool, and we were re-emphasizing some of their math concepts from grade 6 math.
We worked with robots, functioning, seeing how they write on their own, learning about how they operate and stuff like that.
The robots that we're using is like an arm. First, you're calibrating the arm to make it work. You got the shoulder, like the base part. You got the arm that makes it has a limit that it can go, like your arm, and you got the wrist that makes it function from moving. I got the arm to move by code.
So they were doing integer operations. They made an XY coordinate plane labeled quadrants with the robot, and they were walking the robot around doing integer operations to different specific points in that coordinate system.
Having the bus come here today has helped me with my learning of math and more engineering.
We kind of use the idea of where we're like this big funnel. We funnel those students, a large number of students, to get them exposed and excited to career pathways, and then students will decide in 3 or 4 years which career pathway that they want to pursue as they move up to the high school CTE courses and community college and higher education centers.
I really do hope that they have more stuff like this in the future. Like middle school, it was awesome. It was an amazing experience. Most importantly, we have fun working together. I love it. I really do.